This is EMS TV and you are watching EMS English News, and here are today's top stories. Medicine shops across Madhya Pradesh will remain shut on May 20th due to a nationwide strike by chemists. In Bhopal alone, more than 3,000 medical stores are expected to stay closed. The protest has been called by the All India Organization of Chemists and Druggists against online medicine sales. Local chemist leaders say they are worried about the quality and safety of medicines delivered online. They believe there is still no clear monitoring system for home delivery of medicine, which may affect public health and patient safety. The National Green Tribunal has asked for a scientific report after 11,000 liters of milk and 210 saris were offered into the Narmada River during a religious event in Sihor district. The report has been requested from pollution control agencies to study environmental impact. The event took place in April at Saddev and Bherunda villages. A petition was filed before the NGT raising concern about river pollution. The case is now under hearing and official may review whether such practices can harm water quality and the environment. Officials in Mandsaur have seized 455 grams of illegal opium hidden inside candy and chocolate wrappers. The parcel was found at a post office and was reportedly being sent to Ontario, Canada. The Central Bureau of Narcotics carried out the operation after finding the package suspicious. According to reports, the sender tried to hide the drug carefully so it could avoid detection. Authorities are now investigating who was involved and whether the parcel is linked to a larger drug smuggling network. A major religious celebration is being held at Bhojshala in Dhar after an important court and ASI decision. Hindu groups are observing a Mahavijay Mahotsav and Mahasatsang after getting permission for worship throughout the year. Devotees gather for prayers, religious rituals and celebrations inside the historic site. Fireworks and worship ceremonies were also organized as people express happiness over the decision. The development has created excitement among supporters who call it an important moment for religious rites and cultural heritage. The death of Bhopal actress Tasha Sharma has become more controversial after a short post-mortem report mentioned multiple injury marks on her body. Her family has raised suspicion of murder since the beginning and is demanding a deeper investigation. On the other hand, her mother-in-law and legal representatives have questioned the report and raised concern about its finding. Police are continuing their investigation to understand what exactly happened and whether the injuries are linked to her death. Strong heat waves affected many cities in Madhya Pradesh, especially Bhopal and Indore, where roads and markets look empty during the afternoon. People stayed indoors to avoid hot winds and high temperatures. According to weather officials, several cities recorded temperatures above 45 degrees Celsius. Datia became one of the hottest cities at 45.8 degrees Celsius, while Rajgarh, Damoh, Satna, Sagar and other districts also reported severe heat. Authorities have advised people to avoid direct sunlight, drink enough water and stay safe during peak afternoon hours.